Here we have two Lennox Elite Series. One of them is running. Don't know much about these. Just know that they're back here. See the pretty nice units in my opinion. That one's not running. Let's go check on the train. Neighbor's Mitsubishi is running. And my train is running. Exceed 12,000. 1,200. Pretty cool. Let's see if the other Mitsubishi is running. And it is not. Mitsubishi is not running. And this, I don't know what this is. Looks like I don't know, looks like a line set for something. I do know that this did replace the central air conditioner. I'm pretty sure it was like an old round carrier, you know, those old 1980s like round carrier units. And then I think like the building, they decided that they wanted to do just not spend a bunch of money on like central air, so they decided to go with just mini splits. Oh, and it's running now. Ugh, air stinks coming out of this thing. Let's get one more shot at that Lennox. But the fan's still running. Oh, now that one's running. It's the neighbor's dog.